What's up, everybody? It's Jamel Gibbs. Listen, in today's video, we're gonna do something very different. I don't like to address negativity, but sometimes you have to address the naysayers in the real estate business. So that's exactly what we're gonna talk about today. So look, as you know, I like to keep my head down in my real estate business. I put my head down, I mind my business, I keep it moving, right? And as I'm moving along, I like to take as many people with me as possible on this success journey in this thing that we call real estate investing. And that's what I've been doing since 2002 when I started investing in real estate. I've been putting my head down, I grinded away, and I've been teaching people along the way the things that I've learned, the things that I'm actually doing in my real estate business in order to help other people become successful in their businesses as well. Everything that I've ever taught somebody else has been stated actual fact, all right? I don't put out nonsense information. I don't put out garbage, pie in the sky stuff that people can't use in their business. And that's exactly why I do this YouTube page here as well. You see, it doesn't benefit me to put out free information on YouTube. I'm not, just so you know, I'm not making any money on YouTube. I'm losing money every single month on YouTube. My investment into these videos costs me more than the actual YouTube, the little bit of money that YouTube does send me every single month. So it doesn't benefit me to lie to you and provide you with pie in the sky information that doesn't work. I don't get down like that. That's not my style, and it never has been. Anybody who knows me know that I'm a straight shooter, and I'm gonna tell it like it is. I'm gonna always tell you the truth. The reason why I wanted to do this video today is because I had a naysayer who seems to be a subscriber to my YouTube page, but he's also a subscriber to my email list. And he sent me a message. He sent the message to my support staff this morning, and they forwarded it over to me. And I'm gonna read this message to you. So this guy basically decided that he wanted to contact me in regards to a video that I just dropped the other day where I talked about the 60-25-1 rule that I designed in order to help investors understand that, look, you could purchase properties at 60 cents on the dollar minus the repairs, and if you make close to 25 of them on average, then you'll get one deal. What he failed to realize is what I'm talking about in that video is basically information that you need to adjust to your market. I'm not saying that everybody's gonna get a deal with 25 offers. I'm saying, look, if you make 25 offers, what are the chances of you actually getting deals? And it's been working for me. Like I said, in that video, I'm 7 to 1. It takes me 7 offers to get one deal. It may take you 40 offers to get one deal, but the nationwide average is 25. But what he's saying is that the 60% offer is nonsense, and he actually used other words that I'm not gonna mention. So here's his email. This is from Joseph Gonzalez. And Joseph, look, I'm not trying to put you on the spot at all. And at the end of the day, I just want to make sure that you understand that I don't teach nonsense. I'm out here, I'm truly trying to help people, and I'm doing this for free. It doesn't benefit me to put out nonsense information online. So I do appreciate your opinion, but I also needed to correct your thinking about this as well. I've been doing this a very long time. I've taught thousands of people how to make money in real estate. I just needed to make this public so that anybody who decides that they wanted to contest what I'm saying, just know that I'm gonna check you. Joseph's email to my support staff says, this is nonsense, and he used a different word, I'm not gonna say it. 60% of ARV minus repair cost to determine offer amount is nonsense, again, using a different word. He also says, this means that you are expecting a 67% ROI. You'll never get any deals with this expectation. Total nonsense. Joseph, again, I appreciate your opinion on this, but I'm gonna provide you with facts today. I'm not saying that this guy can't have his own opinion. You know, in fact, I embrace anybody's opinion, but if you're gonna have an opinion, I'm gonna challenge you to make sure that your opinion is factual, not your opinion based off of what you think. Anybody who thinks that this cannot work and haven't applied it into their businesses or haven't even tried it on their own is basically stating opinion. So I'm just gonna give you an example. I just signed a contract yesterday literally yesterday, and I'm gonna pop it right up on the screen so you can see it. It should be somewhere over here. Let's work these numbers together. All right, so this house, and I'm gonna show you all of the facts. I'm gonna show you the comps, I'm gonna show you the contract, I'm gonna show you the purchase price, all of that, right? The repair costs. So basically, this house is worth $115,000 right now as it stands. Now understand, we're in a hot seller's market right now. If people still think that you can't get deals, then you're not working hard enough, okay? So this house that I'm showing you is worth $115,000 right now. If you multiply that number by 0.6, what do you come up with? $69,000. So 115,000 times 0.6, $69,000. You see that? Now guess what? This house, over the phone, the seller stated that it was a 3. And if you watch any of my repair cost videos, you know that I like to use the square footage approach when it comes to knowing how much work the property needs. So this house needed right around $19,000 in work, according to the repair cost. So let's do $69,000 minus $19,000. What do you come up with? $50,000. Now I'm gonna show you the contract. The contract is up on the screen right now. $115,000 house. I just signed the contract on this yesterday for $50,000. ARV times 60% minus repairs equals my offer. My offer was 50 grand. Guess what? I got the house for $50,000. And on top of that, in case you think that the creative stuff that I'm teaching doesn't work, this seller was willing to do a creative deal with me as well. If I would have put down $20,000, he was willing to take the payments over time. But it made more sense for me to take the $50,000 offer for another $30,000 into the deal. So I'm gonna make a lot of money on this deal, all right? I'm gonna make a fair amount, and it's right in line with what I've been teaching everyone on YouTube. This is stated fact, and that's not including all of the other checks that I've proven on YouTube. I've actually shown you on YouTube checks. I haven't shown you everything that I've made this year. I'm not gonna show you everything I made. That would be foolish of me to put that stuff online. But I have shown you checks, me actually walking into the title company, picking up checks, whether it be a wholesale deal or a creative deal. All proven, stated, documented facts. And guess what? I've purchased these at 60 cents on the dollar minus repairs. So my point in bringing this up is, if you want to say that it doesn't work, then you have to be able to back it up, because I'm able to back it up. And not only me, maybe you say, okay, it works for you, maybe it doesn't work for anybody else. How about George, one of my student partners who recently closed a deal last Friday? I asked him to send me the information on his deal. So he picked up a deal in a whole nother market. The house is worth $85,000. I'll show you the information, again, right up on the screen. $85,000. If you multiply that by 0.6, guess what you come up with? $51,000, right? This house needed about 15 grand in work. Guess what? You subtract the $15,000 and you're at $36,000. I asked George, and I'm gonna show it to you. I asked George to send me his numbers on a deal. He contracted his property for $35,000. Guess what? That's less than the 60 cents on the dollar minus repairs. And then he turned around and sold the property for $45,000, and he made a net profit of $10,000 on this deal. So shout out to George for sending me that information. And George is just one of many people. Again, I've shown proof throughout the entire year. I've shown proof over the last 12, 13 years I've been on YouTube that the stuff that I teach actually works. I don't provide fluff. I don't put out falsified information. I state facts, and I'm able to back up every single thing that I say. I don't even consider myself to be a real estate guru. I'm just one of you. I'm an investor grinding out here every single day, and I have been for 19 years. I could have retired a long time ago. I have enough right now to be able to retire, and I'm going on 40 years old. Okay, I'll be 40 in 3 months. But my point in bringing this up is, I've been doing this for a long time. I love helping people. I'm doing this for free. Even if you were to purchase my education programs, they are very inexpensive, because I'm not doing it for the money. I'm doing it to help people. So I appreciate your opinion, Joseph, man. No hard feelings at all. I love the fact that you sent in that email. You challenged me, so I had to put it out there, man. And I hope you understand exactly where I'm coming from. I'm not a brand new real estate investor. I'm very experienced. I do very well in this business, and I only show you what I want you to see. I do a lot behind the scenes that you have no idea about. I'm not a rookie at this, and if I teach it, it's because it works. So listen, man, I hope that you benefited from this video. I'm not gonna ask you to like this video, subscribe, or none of that extra YouTube stuff that we always talk about. Just know, look, I'm here to help you. I'm not here to hurt you. And I hope that comes across in my videos. I'm here to spread love, and spreading love is the Brooklyn way. That's exactly where I'm from. But listen, I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Peace.